हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम देखेंगे इंट्रूजन डिटेक्शन सिस्टम पेनेट्रेशन टेस्टिंग। तो चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं। यू शुड कैरी आउट फॉलोइंग 20 स्टेप टू कंडक्ट IDS penetration testing. Step 1. Disable a trusted host. You should try to find and disable the trusted host so that the targeted host thinks that the traffic that the attacker will generate emanate from there. So next step, perform an insertion attack. Then implement the evasion technique. Next is perform a denial of service attack. Then obfuscate or encoded the attack payload. You should implement the obfuscating technique to encoded attack packet that the IDS would not detect, but IIS web server would decode and attack. Next is perform the false positive generation technique. You should use false positive generation technique to create a great deal of log noise attempt to blend real attack with the false. Next step is perform the section splicing technique. You should implement this technique to stop the IDS by keeping the section active longer than IDS will spend on reassembling it. Next step is perform the Unicode evasion technique. You should implement the Unicode evasion technique to avoid the IDS, as it is possible to have multiple representation of a single character. Next step is perform a fragmentation attack. You should perform fragmentation attack with IDS fragmentation reassembly timeout less and more than that of the victim. Next step is perform the overlapping fragment technique. You should use this technique to craft a series of packet with TCP sequence numbers of configure to overlap. Next step is perform a time to leave attack. Then perform the invalid RST packet technique. Okay, you should use this technique to avoid detection by sending RST packet with an invalid checksum that cause the IDS to stop processing the stream. Next is perform the urgency flag technique. You should use urgency flag technique to avoid IDS RD as some IDS RDS do not consider the TCP protocol urgency feature. Next step, perform the polymorphic shellcode. You should use this technique to hide the shellcode by encrypting in a simplistic form that is difficult for IDS to identify that data as a shellcode. Next step, perform a ASCII shellcode technique. You should perform this technique to bypass IDS pattern matching signature because strings are hidden within the shellcode as in polymorphic shellcode. Next step, perform an application layer attack. You should try to perform application level attack as many IDS will have no way to check the compressed file format for signature. Next step, perform encryption and flooding technique. You should try encryption and flooding attack with the victim or send loads of unnecessary traffic to produce noise that cannot be analyzed by the IDS. Next step is perform a post connection synchronization attack. Then perform a pre-connection synchronize attack. Finally documents all the result obtained from this टेस्ट. सो ये है IDS पेनेट्रेशन टेस्टिंग. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.